going to be spinning a bobbin. So I'm going to go ahead and take my thread as I did in threading the machine, and I'm going to put it on my spool pin behind. Instead of going to the back to the thread guide, I'm going to go to this little spindle, which is actually the tension for your bobbin, and I'm just going to loop it around. And then I'm going to head towards the spindle, which is for your bobbin. And I'm going to take my bobbin, and I'm actually going to go in between the center and up one hole. So I'm going to take my thread, in between and up one hole. I'm going to put it on that spindle, and then I'm going to click it to the right. That just means it's engaged, that it will start filling your bobbin. Now, while your bobbin is spinning, I want to make sure my needle isn't going up and down, just in case, for safety reasons, something was to get caught inside of it. So to do that, I'm going to take my hand wheel. There's a center part. I'm going to disengage it by taking that center part and twisting it towards myself. That'll prevent your needle from going up and down as your bobbin is spinning. Once that's disengaged, I'm going to hold the thread, and I'm going to spin one time from top to bottom, and then I'm going to trim that thread. So I'm going to go ahead and push on my foot pedal and allow it to spin. Okay, once it's spun a little bit, I'm going to trim this thread off. This is an important step because if you don't trim this thread, sometimes it can start forming a bobbin underneath your bobbin, which is not what you want, because then you have a threaded mess. So I'm going to continue to spin a couple more times, and then we'll talk about what to do when your bobbin is full. Okay, we are pretty much done with what we're going to spin today. If you were to spin a full bobbin, this little arm here in the back will actually tell you when it's full, because it will click your bobbin out of spinning mode, just saying that I'm too full, I'm done spinning. So that is how to spin a bobbin.